Today we're going to install the Yoda One load sensing proportioning valve delete kit, part number 121767. Here's a quick overview of what's included in the kit. This is the proportioning valve itself. This is the mount for the valve. This is the plug for the front brake return. This is the hardware and a custom line that we make. Let's go get started. All right, here we're at the back of the truck. This is the load sensing proportioning valve, or Lspv. It takes fluid from this top line, right from the brake master cylinder into this valve, and then using this arm, it determines how much weight is in the vehicle and uses that calculation to return some of the fluid back to the front brake system. These valves are old, crusty. Some people don't like how they work. So this video, we're gonna get rid of this and show you how to do all the different steps. So let's get started. I'm gonna go up to the driver's side front wheel well. You'll see these two fittings right here. There's a 90 and a T. The line that we're after, which is the lower line on the proportioning valve, is this line that comes off of the rear of the T. So we're gonna remove this line, install a plug right here. That's pretty much all that happens right here. So let's go ahead and get started with the proportioning valve removal. This lower line is the line that we're deleting from the front. We're keeping the upper line. And you'll see in the video, we're gonna bend that line around and tie it in right here to the line that drops down to the rear axle. Rear brake lines coming off here. I'll replace those. The Willwood valve hooked to the Yoda One valve mount, and now we're going to install it. This is a custom line that we make. It comes in our load sensing proportioning valve kit. Okay, now that we've got the pieces installed, the lines moved, we're basically done. All that we have to do now is bleed the brake and then adjust the valve. To bleed the brakes, this valve is all the way open when the knob is out or up. And you want to bleed the brakes with it in that position and then adjust it down to whatever works for your vehicle.